in which the environment minister, whom we've not really heard from, would have been answering questions on air pollution. But that clearly did not happen. So on one hand, we see the apathy as far as the Parliament House is concerned. The other hand, we see that when there is inconvenience, it's only for a handful of people, but there are violations left, right, and center. What's worse is that as far as the predictions are concerned, and it's getting colder here in this region, the air quality will only worsen from the very poor category. We almost see it moving to the severe category already. So things will not get better as far as the dirty air is concerned. But we had one opportunity to discuss this, and there was agreement that there would at least be a small discussion, but clearly health, air pollution, the environment, the toxic air that we are all breathing in. It's not just a Delhi problem, it's also an NCR problem. It's a problem involving major metropolitan cities, sometimes even smaller towns. And the air is dirty. What are the governments doing? We have a new government in Delhi that said, sorry, we are not going to be able to do this in 8 to 9 months. And we've seen good amount of political playing game as well. We've had Manjinder Singh Sirsa, the environment minister, talk about it. Today, Ashish Sood, the health minister of Delhi, spoke about, the fact that odd even was some sort of a PR exercise. Well, all of this is getting weighed in on. Scientists, environmentalists have been giving real solutions and long-term solutions to this problem, which we don't see getting explored, unfortunately, by any of the governments yet, even either at in Delhi or at the central level. Because at the end of the day, Suesha, the problem is complex, and it's also a problem that's handled. It has to be handled by multiple agencies. It's not going to be solved by one particular government or one particular agency. It involves
Oh, yes,
different states
absolutely.
as